an independent nation. But that's a freedom from. We were once under the oppression of others, and now we're independent. And we see this in Exodus chapter 21, verse 2. When a person is freed from indentured servitude, is now able to live their life. That's chofshi. The second biblical term is dror. Well, this term is like a major, wider expression of political liberation. We know it best because it's engraved in the Liberty Bell in Philadelphia. Proclaim liberty, dror, throughout all the land, unto all the inhabitants thereof, as in Leviticus chapter 25, verse 10. This is a freedom used in connection with the Jubilee year, the freeing of the debtors, and the restoration of the ancestral land. It is a liberation built into the structure of society. But the third term is what we're doing now in Israel. It's called cherut. It's a post-biblical term. It's often repeated. We actually said this yesterday when we were blessing the new moon, going from avdut, from slavery, to cherut, to this. I'm going to define it in a second. It's not merely a freedom from something or a freedom to do anything you please. The freedom is a stewardship, a difficult, demanding task of creating a just society under the sovereignty of God. It rests on self-restraint and deep regard for others. Cherut is the freedom to serve God and the heavy responsibility to collectively carry out His will in this world. The tragic story of humanity has been, for most part, a flight from this responsibility, a flight from cherut. The culprits change over time. Only the sense of victimhood remains. And we look around and say, it wasn't us. But to be a steward of liberty, to be a true citizen of a free nation, is to embrace cherut, is to stop the flight, to claim responsibility, and to build a just society. That is exactly what Charlie Kirk did. He didn't just advocate for dror, political freedom, he demanded cherut, the moral discipline necessary to sustain it. His voice, challenging us all to live up to the responsibilities of our liberty, is the most profound legacy we carry now forward. May we all be worthy of this task.